Hi guys, I have a simple question. Should you fire your doctor? But before I begin, share in the comments if you've ever considered firing your doctor. When you think about it, doctors play a significant role in your life beyond your health. They impact whether or not you're living in pain, your overall healthcare experience, your quality of life, and of course, how long you actually may live. It's essential to hold them to a high standard because of the powerful influence they have on your well-being. But if your doctor leaves you feeling undervalued, it may be time to consider finding a new healthcare provider. It is especially important to protect yourself from healthcare providers who belittle or shame you. Believe it or not, people do this, as this can have a negative impact on your mental and emotional well-being. You deserve a doctor who respects and supports you, who works with you as a partner. Now, here are 6 warning signs and maybe even a bonus that will indicate why you may need to fire your doctor. A good doctor should provide you with information about your health conditions, medications, and other treatment options. It's not just about treating your blood pressure, diabetes, or other health condition, but understanding why you have it in the first place. Understanding why you have it is foundational in helping you to heal. Number 5, doctors should create an environment for open and trustworthy communication. If you feel unable to share relevant information with your physician, it may be time to consider finding a new doctor who you feel more comfortable with, who you can open up to. Number 6, believe it or not, you shouldn't be bullied by your doctor. If you feel pressured into treatments or medicines that you are not comfortable with, or if your doctor does not respect your wishes for a second opinion, it is crucial to prioritize your own well-being and seek a doctor who aligns with your values. And here's the bonus. If you tell your doctor you're considering low-carb, keto, or carnivore, and they look at you and say it's going to kill you, your doctor is not up to date on the current literature and either needs to be educated or fired. Share if you'd like to educate your doctor or fire them based on that comment. So in conclusion, by being aware of these warning signs and being proactive in seeking out a doctor who meets your expectations, you will be sure to have a high quality experience, receive high quality care. You'll also have the opportunity to grow and to potentially reverse some of the diseases that you worry about. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to care enough to come to the Metabolic Health Docs YouTube channel. And until we meet again, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.